Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. I did an unboxing in my car, and I'm going to cut that in here in just a second, but I wanted to come back to my closet, show you everything up close, show you my most desirable outfit that I plan to wear with the bag. And so here I am, and I'm going to go ahead and send you over to the video right now, and I'll see you in a second. I have an unboxing in the car today. I just stalked the UPS driver and she told me they were fast like ninjas, but they were not fast enough for me. And so I've got this box here and I'm a little disheveled because I had to like chase her down the road, but I figured I would open this bad boy up and show you what's inside. So this is an item, I didn't get it from Rebag, I didn't get it from Fashion File. I got this from a private seller. So here's the box. It is incredibly well packaged. We've got lots of tissue paper and foam on both sides. And then here is the bag. Okay, we got the bag, and I'm gonna go back into my closet and talk about this and try it on and everything, all the jazz. But here is the bag. Now, this person also sent me this really nice plush insert, and I don't know what bag this is gonna fit. It doesn't quite fit the bag that I have here, but it might fit something. And then she sent me some little doodads too. She sent me a fuzzy little poof ball charm. I love those. Oh my goodness. She sent me a little macaroon charm. How sweet is this lady? Oh my goodness. And then a little butterfly charm after my own heart. And then, oh, how cute, a little cherries charm. You can see that. And then it's like the goodies never end. And then a twilly. Oh my goodness. How sweet. You don't get those kind of personal touches when you buy from Rebag or Fashion Files. So here we go. Let me do the reveal. Da 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 da. What do we have here? We have a Pont 9 by Louis Vuitton. And you can see it's got the beautiful emblem there in the front. Now this bag has the straps. Oh, something just fell out of it. It was the zipper pull. That's not good. We'll have to check that out here in a second. We have the side. We have the back. So this color is summer gold, and it's almost like a papaya sort of shade. And I'm assuming that zipper pull goes in the inside. We've got the beautiful flower magnetic clasp. There is the interior. Oh my goodness, it is just stunning. It smells amazing. It says Louis Vuitton Paris right there. The way the zipper attaches, there's like a little hook there, and I may be able to put this back on and kind of crimp the hook a little bit, but I hate that it just fell off. For now, I just stuck it back inside the bag, but you can see this bag is stunning. It still has the stickers on the sides here. It was never used, and I'm looking forward to trying her out. So I will see you in my closet. So that was a fun unboxing, except for the darn zipper pull. And listen, I have already went online. Louis Vuitton, on the app, you can request a repair. And I don't have the receipt for this bag, at least not the original one. And so I am going to go through the repair process, you know, see how much it will cost to replace that little part of the zipper pull. Basically, and I'm going to insert a couple pictures here as I'm talking, there is a little lobster clasp, and the part that goes in and out on that clasp fell off. So therefore the zipper pull won't stay on anymore, but I still have the zipper pull. And it's something that if they did have the part, they could do it in store. It would be pretty easy to do, but I have a feeling I'm going to have to send it in. And the first available appointment for me to talk to them is on April 24th. And so in the meantime, I'm going to just wear the bag. I put the little piece that fell off and the zipper pull into a little plastic bag and stuck it in the inside zipper pocket. But otherwise, I have this gorgeous bag ready to wear today. She is a stunner. Again, the color is summer gold, and I already found a chain to accessorize her with. I think this chain is from NextFashion. It doesn't have any labels on it, and that's where I get most of my chains from, either there or Dress Up Your Purse. And Dress Up Your Purse has little tabs that say DUYP, I believe, usually on their chains. But it's a gorgeous chain. I think Paul from NextFashion originally sent me this to maybe go with my Prada re-edition, but I'm loving it on the Pont 9 and plan for it to live on this bag. Now, I did adjust the strap to the very shortest of the settings. It's really cool how this clips on and off. There's a little button on the side, and it basically just flips this open like a hinge. And then it will snap right closed. And when it snaps closed, I don't think it's going to leave as big of an impression on the strap as a normal strap holder would do. There's just not as much pressure right here at this point. So I think the kinking of the strap will be minimized. And as you can see, the holes have grommets in them. And so that will also help with the wear and tear on the strap. I do wish that the strap was detachable. It's not, so I will live with it this way because I love the bag. I do have all my items in here ready to go. You can see in the front, I've got a glasses cleaning cloth, the little nosebleed packs, and a hair tie. And I've got pretty much everything else in the back. I'm using this slip pocket for cash and some extra like coupon cards and stuff like that. And then I've got an AirPods case, my medicine pouch, the normal pouch I carry, my key clay, my Prada card holder, and I don't have anything but the parts in the back zipper pocket. One of the things that is absolutely stunning about this bag is this little flower detail for the magnetic clasp. And boy, it has a great little fastening mechanism. I mean, it comes open easy, but it closes nice and securely, which I love. This bag is just really well designed. It's very elegant. I like the color with the gold hardware. I feel like they just go hand in hand, and I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you right now. So this is how I plan to wear the bag. Crossbody like this with the chain draping over the corner. You can see it has compartments on it, kind of like the Pochette Métis, but this compartment is pretty wide, and this one is more like a cell phone size, although I'm not sure I'll put my cell phone in there. I'm going to have to just see if it would leave any indentions on the leather on the outside. But it is really cute. I have it adjusted to the very shortest length, and I like it this length. It's very comfortable. And if I wanted to wear it as a long shoulder bag, again, this is the shortest length, but it looks really cute that way as well. Like I mentioned, I got this cutie from a private seller, and as you saw in the car, she sent me some goodies, one of which is this really cute scarf. Look how well that matches my shirt. And then it also matches the bag really, really well. So I may tie this to one of the rings on the side and just have it kind of dangle off the side if I wanted to snazz her up a bit. But she's feeling pretty snazzy with the chain I have on. Then also I untied the little ribbon, so ignore that. I've got to tie it back. But this little charm that looks like a lottery charm with macaroons. This sweet little butterfly charm. It's so cute. And then last but not least are some little cherries hanging from an LV type clasp. All of those items came nestled in this really nice, like velvety feeling bag insert, and this actually fits pretty well in my Tory Burch Willa bags. I already tested it out, so I might use it for that. It's not as deep as the Willa bags, but it is about the same depth up at the top, so it sits in there really nicely. So if I wanted pockets, I could use this in those bags. And I think it also might work in my Rock Stud Spike bag. I do have an insert on the way for that bag, but I may get another one at some point, so it'll be really handy to have this super nice insert to try out. So that is it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have a hair hanging down in front of my eyes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.